Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for an all-in-one pulley system, check out this one from Naoeleii. Now, what I love about this setup is you can do it anywhere. It comes with a hanging strap and clips, so it can attach to all sorts of things. In our basement, we have a punching bag, so we have the hook on the ceiling from that. So it was really easy to use that for a different purpose. In my friend's gym, they have a squat rack, so it can attach right to that. Anywhere, honestly, that you can hook on, you can use this. From there, it has the pulley and the cable, which you thread through, and you can do this multiple ways. So depending what muscle group you want to hit or whether you want to pull up or push down, you can adjust. It glides beautifully, so easy to use, and then you have all sorts of different handles. So you have the cable handles, a tricep rope, you have a straight bar, and then you also have a single rope. So no matter what muscle you're trying to target, you can adjust accordingly. Your plates go on this bar. It can hold up to 240 pounds. I will never get to that point, but if you are extra strong, you know that it can handle a lot of weight. You do need to have your own plates. There are a million different exercises you can use. Their listing was really helpful in giving some ideas on how to use the different attachments. But I love that it comes with a lot of clips, a lot of variety in handles. So if you're looking to expand your home gym, you want it to be simple, quiet, but really target all of your muscles. I think you'll love this pulley system, and that's my point of view.